Hey, it's John Deere Man 2009. And I thought I'd show y'all LED taillight install on my John Deere X530. So these are just basically, like I said, LED taillights. I got it at a local auto parts store. And these brackets I just picked up at the hardware store. I did have to elongate this hole here for this bolt, but it turned out pretty nice. And I put a split loom wire braiding on it. Check the wires, it looks a lot better too and cleaner. And underneath, I just ran alongside the inner fender on the right hand side. Tied up wiring nice and tight, keep it from getting caught up in the wheel. Then just ran it between the frame and the footwell there. And I did remove this panel right here. Just one bolt there, and it snaps in here. Kind of got to wiggle it out. It does help if you have the parking brake released also. And just tied it up nice and tight with zip ties, keep everything out of the way. And then I tied it into the ignition switch there. So basically what I did, turn this key switch to power up the headlights. And then of course probe the inside of that, the back side of that key switch with a test light, and when you got power, you knew that'd power up your headlights. And then I'd turn the key switch to the off position for headlights, and when it went out, I knew I'd be all set. And this is the finished product. So basically, I just wanted to add more visibility to the back of the tractor if I, plowing snow at night, and just be on the safe side. So this is John Deere Man 2009. Thanks for watching.